Hi, I'm Chef Nti, and today we're at the AEG showroom. I'm making roasted butternut curry. I'm making the roasted butternut curry because a meat-free meal is a must. And this is a perfect one because it cooks fast, conveniently. It doesn't need you to look after it. It's cozy, it's warm, you can enjoy it in the winter days. And the flavors in there are your turmeric for a bit of color. I've got your cayenne for heat. I've got some garam masala. I've got your curry powder in there. I've got some earthy notes like your cumin seeds. I'm using them as ground cumin as well. I'm adding my tomato and I'm adding my coconut milk just to give it, that beautiful, creamy, rich texture. So what to watch out for in this recipe is to make sure that your butternut is cooked to perfection. You want it roasted, slightly charred, because that builds flavor. We are roasting the chickpeas in the oven. I am adding shallots in there, and this is to build flavor, but also to protect chickpeas. Just pile them and give them a bit of height. If you layer them, they get too crispy. If you give them a height, you have the evenness, the crispiness, just on top. I'm challenging the expected ways by cooking my rice, not on the stove top, but in the oven. Just add 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of water, lots of salt, cumin seeds, butter, olive oil. 20 minutes later, I have perfectly cooked rice. So I love using AEG appliances, especially for this particular recipe, because the Matte Black range is perfect in that, I've got the oven, I've got the microwave combi, and I've got the warmer. So something special I'm adding to my recipe, I'm using morogo as my garnish, and I'm dehydrating it in the warmer, and when it's done, we finish the recipe with it. Oh, this is love on a plate. I mean, the rice is cooked to perfection, the perfect partner to this delicious curry. It feels really like a hug. I can't wait to dig in.